Our solar system is a place of constant motion. Planets, including our own Earth, orbit the Sun. They move at different speeds and distances, creating an intricate cosmic dance. Sometimes, from our perspective on Earth, these planets appear to line up in the night sky. We call this a planetary alignment. These alignments are not perfectly straight lines. Think of it more like planets gathering on the same side of the Sun. Even this loose alignment is a special event. It's a chance to appreciate the scale and beauty of our solar system. It's a reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. The rarity of planetary alignments adds to their allure. Some alignments involving only a few planets occur relatively frequently. However, alignments of 5 or more planets are less common. They offer a breathtaking spectacle that has captivated skywatchers for centuries. As we look up at the night sky, we are witnessing a moment in astronomical history, a fleeting alignment of celestial wanderers that connects us to the vastness of the universe. In the January 2025 alignment, 5 planets will grace our evening skies: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Each planet will shine brightly, like celestial beacons against the backdrop of stars. Mercury, the smallest and swiftest planet, will be closest to the horizon. Venus, known for its brilliance, will blaze brightly above Mercury. Mars, the red planet, will add its distinctive hue to the lineup. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, will command attention with its imposing presence. And finally, Saturn, the ringed wonder, will complete this celestial tapestry. This alignment is best viewed just after sunset. Look towards the southwestern horizon. With a little patience and a keen eye, you'll be able to spot these 5 planets strung across the sky like a celestial necklace. Witnessing this celestial spectacle doesn't require fancy equipment. Find a location away from city lights, where the darkness of the night sky can truly shine. A clear view of the southwestern horizon is essential. Give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness. It takes about 30 minutes for them to become fully attuned to the faint light of the stars. Binoculars or a telescope can enhance your view, revealing details like the rings of Saturn or the moons of Jupiter. There are many helpful resources available for identifying planets. Mobile apps like Stellarium or Starwalk can guide you across the night sky, pointing out the planets and constellations. Section 4. Celestial Wonders Through the Ages, History, and Significance. Throughout history, planetary alignments have captivated our imaginations. Ancient civilizations often attributed special meanings to these celestial events. They saw them as omens, portents of good fortune or impending doom. In ancient Babylon, astrologers meticulously recorded planetary movements, believing they held the key to understanding earthly affairs. The Egyptians saw the planets as gods and goddesses, their movements influencing the fate of humanity. While we now understand the scientific reasons behind planetary alignments, their cultural significance endures. They remind us of our place in the cosmos, sparking awe and wonder at the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. Section 5. Witness the Universe, a Call to the Stars. The January 2025 planetary alignment is a rare and beautiful event, a celestial spectacle that invites us to look up and marvel at the wonders of our solar system. This is an opportunity to connect with the universe on a personal level. Step outside, embrace the darkness, and allow yourself to be captivated by the beauty of these celestial wanderers. Share this experience with loved ones, igniting a shared sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. Let this alignment serve as a reminder of the beauty and grandeur that lie beyond our world. So, mark your calendars, find a dark spot, and prepare to witness the universe putting on a show for us, a cosmic dance that has played out across millennia and continues to inspire awe in those who take the time to look up.